I'm Carl Bonack. Welcome to Upper Michigan Source Weather on Demand for the second last day of February 2015, a record month, and it was another bitter start. The low, look at this, 21 below at the National Weather Service site. Officially, though, look at this. The high popped up to 19 degrees, but you put it all together and we were still between 19 and 20 degrees below average for the 27th. And this is really something when you compare this February with last February, which was, by the way, a record cold February at the National Weather Service site near Negaunee. 5.6 degrees for a mean temperature. This month through today, 2.2 degrees for a mean temperature. That means it's much colder. And look at this, even in the infamous cold month of January 1994, when pipes started freezing all over the place, the mean temperature at month's end was 2.8 degrees. So this is really something. Today, though, high temperatures did rise up into the teens all over Upper Michigan. In fact, at Iron Mountain Ford Airport, it reached up to 21 briefly during the afternoon. Here's what's going on for tonight's lows. It shouldn't be near as cold since we're starting out warmer, and we'll have a light southwest wind holding up for the most part, a little stronger in the Copper Country. Lows should still be around zero close to Lake Superior. Places like Copper Harbor could stay above zero with a little stronger southwest wind. The coldest readings, of course, will be in the interior. We'll say around 10 below into the teens below. Some of the coldest locations that have been down into the 30s below zero may hit 20 below early tomorrow morning. But then we expect temperatures to rise because high pressure will move off to the east coast and we'll have a southwest wind ahead of a weak trough of low pressure in the plains. Plenty of sunshine too. That means temperatures warm up. And on Sunday, we're looking for a system, the first one to come out of the southwest. Could be some snow in parts of Illinois, maybe up to Chicago, but well south of us. This week trough means more clouds. Could be a little bit of light snow and flurries. Saturday's highs will be centered around the 20-degree mark, and on Sunday we should get even a little bit warmer. Tonight, we have a westerly flow aloft with the cold air retreating to the northeast. As we get into next week, it looks like a trough will dig out west and one of those Colorado lows will be developing. These give us our biggest snowstorms, and it often happens in March. However, this one really doesn't look like a strong system. It looks like little pieces of energy come out. So there's a chance that we'll be on the north fringe of one of those pieces of energies or weak lows that could produce some snow about Tuesday. Cold air works into the west where it hasn't been cold this winter, and then gradually that cold air comes to the east after this weak system moves through. Your TV 6-day forecast. Temperatures for the first few days of March should be relatively mild, much closer to average. We see that snow possibility on Tuesday, generally light, and then another cold shot by the middle of next week.